Hello again, friends. My name is Santiago, and these days we're a cook.
What are we going to cook?
In this day, we're cooking a cordon bleu with spaghetti and vegetables. For this time, we need these ingredients: 2 carrots, ham, 2 eggs, 2 potatoes, American cheese, salt, tomato cherry, chicken, Coke, spaghetti, avocado, oil, butter, Oaxaca cheese, flour, brown bread, broccoli, half cream, Italian spice, black pepper. First, we are going to work with the chicken crushing in with us until it stays like this. So, after we add one slice of ham, another for American cheese. After we are wrap the chicken in itself. Until it stays like this. Then we are add on the bowl some 2 eggs and we beat them very well. And we beat them looking like this. For prepare the cordon bleu, we are need some flour and ground bread and egg. And put the chicken in the eggs. After in the flour. Again in the eggs and in the ground bread. After, add the chicken in 50 grams of some oil and wait until it is completely fried. For cooking the spaghetti, we need some 3 liters of water. In the water, we add some salt. And the bag of spaghetti. After it is cooked, we strain in the colander and let rest. To accompany our dish, we will make some steamed vegetables. We need 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, broccoli, and 2 tomato cherry. And we cook the vegetables. This is how the vegetables show. I prepare the vegetables in a machine, but you can do it on the stove in a bain-marie. So make the sauce for the spaghetti. First, put the butter in cooking pot with the garlic. When the garlic is done frying, add the half cream and the Italian spice. Add 2 chicken soup nor and the Oaxaca cheese. And finally, we serve the dish with a very cold Coke. We try and it was delicious.
That's all, folks.